Part 4. Declaring global variables. The subroutines of the garden path macro utilize several global variables. A global variable can be used to exchange a value between functions or store a value while the project is located in memory. The following step explains how to define the global variables that will be used by the garden path macro. In the code window, click after the constant pi is equal to 1 point statement and press enter twice. Same there. In the code window, click after that and type in the following code and save the project. So that we put private sp is 0 to 2 is double, endpoint 0 to 3 is double, half width is double, something. And that's it for part 4, declaring global variables.